Good afternoon. I am Dr. Nilesh Tale. Today I am going to deliver methods of formation of alkanes. Now the first reaction is the wood synthesis. In wood synthesis, higher alkanes can be formed from the alkyl halide. First one is the if methyl bromides reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether solvent, there is a formation of ethane. So that means for in wood synthesis there is a formation of higher alkanes. Higher alkanes can be formed by this method. Next one example is suppose we use alkyl halide in combination with ethyl chloride with sodium metal in presence of solvent dry ether, then there is a formation of propane. So this reactions means formation of higher alkanes is said to be a wood synthesis. Now the reactions of alkanes. First reaction is the halogenation. So what is meant by halogenation? Halogenation is one of the substitution type of reaction in which one hydrogen atom is substituted with by halogen group, that is a chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, etc. So in halogenation, first reaction is the chlorination. In this reaction, in chlorination reaction, if we use methane in presence of ultraviolet light, if we carried out this reaction, chlorination is carried out in presence of methane, then there is a formation of methyl chloride. Methyl chloride is the product. If we pick up that methyl chloride and another chlorination process is started and in presence of ultraviolet light, then there is a formation of methylene chloride. Means this is one of the substitution type of reaction in which hydrogen atom is substituted by halogen group. This hydrogen atom is substituted by this halogen group. So in second step, so this is the first reaction, this is the second reaction. In second step, there is a formation of methylene chloride. If we pick up that methylene chloride and add and if chlorination process is started in presence of ultraviolet light, then there is a formation of chloroform. This is also a substitution type of reaction in which hydrogen atom is substituted by halogen group. Hydrogen atom is substituted by halogen group. So there is a formation of, in third step there is a formation of chloroform. CsCl3 is the formula for chloroform. And last one is the, if this is the chloroform, if this chloroform, we use chloroform and if we carried out chlorination process in presence of ultraviolet light, then there is a formation of CCl4, that is a carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride is the product. So this is all about the chlorination process. And this is the type of halogenation reaction. Now the mechanism, we will see the mechanism of halogenation reaction. Now we will see the mechanism. Mechanism means stepwise arrangement of atom or group of atom. That is a mechanism. So in this case, mechanism, the substitution of methane takes place. First reaction is the step first is the chain initiation step. Chain initiation step. Mechanism of chlorination is carried out by using three steps. Step first is the chain initiation step. So initiation means starting step. So in this chain initiation step, the molecule undergoes homolytic fission to give chlorine free radical. Suppose we use this Cl. So there is a formation of chlorine free radical. Chlorine free radical means in this chain initiation step, chlorine molecule undergoes homolytic fission to give a chlorine free radical. So in presence of UV light, ultraviolet light, this is a chain initiation step. Now step 2 is the chain. Second step is the chain propagation step. Chain propagation step. Second one is the chain propagation step. So in chlorine free radical to methane to produce HCl and methyl free radical. Suppose this chlorine free radical, I pick up that chlorine free radical plus I use this HCl, then there is HCH3, then we will get H. So we will get such types of structures: CH3, CH3, CH3 plus Cl, chlorine free radical. Chlorine free radical plus methyl free radical is the chain propagation steps. Now final step is the chain termination step. So this is the chain initiation step, chain propagation step, and last one is the chain termination step. Step third one is the chain termination step. Termination step. Chain termination step. So the above mechanism when carried out when free radicals are combined together. Suppose we use chlorine free radical plus chlorine free radical, that gives rise to Cl2 free radical. Such types of means if one chlorine free radical and another chlorine free radical comes together, then there is a formation of chlorine free radical. Suppose we use chlorine free radical plus methyl free radical, then there is a formation of CH3Cl, that is a methyl chloride. There is a formation of methyl chloride. So if we use chlorine methyl free radical plus another methyl free radical, then there is a formation of such types of structure, that is a CH3 bond CH3, means that is nothing but the structure of ethane molecule. Means there is a formation of ethane, and this is the last step, that is the chain termination step. In chain termination step, what will happen? Suppose one free radical, I have already taken one chlorine free radical, then another chlorine free radical. When these two radicals comes close together, then there is a formation of free radical. Suppose one chlorine free radical, another one is the methyl free radical. If they come close together, then there is a formation of methyl chloride. CH3Cl is the formation is the structure of methyl chloride. If I use one methyl free radical, another one is also a methyl free radical, then there is a formation of CH3 bond CH3, that is the formation of higher alkanes, that is the ethane. So this is the step 3, that is the chain termination step. So chlorination mechanism of methane is carried out by using chain initiation step, chain propagation step, and last one is the chain termination step. Termination means ending, that is the chain termination step, means that process is end here. If the both free radical come close together, then there is a end, then there is a formation of one molecule, means there is a chain is terminated at the end. So this is all about the mechanism of chlorination of methane.